Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. I have an unboxing to do. This is a new company called Dreamer Designs, and they have their headquarters in Canada. They have a warehouse in California here in the US, and they manufacture their product in China. And I'm excited to see this because they do work with artists around the world, it seems, according to their website. Apologies, they're legally licensed art. And so let's go ahead and take a look here what we have. Trying to just open this a little bit. Carefully use my scissors. We'll see how that goes. Sorry about the squeaking there. I'm just going to lift this up for a moment. It's very well packaged. To the side here. And cute little box. So I just ordered the one painting. It's empty. So put that back here. So it's just the one painting. I do like that it has a little handle. And trying to cut it carefully. So for this painting, I bought this, it was $39.95 plus $6. So it was $39.95 and $6.99 shipping and handling. So the total was $46.98. And take this plastic off. And I know you're just wondering, which one did she get? I got, excuse me, the Corgi Nights, and I would like my camera to work with me. And I'm hoping if I move it in a little bit closer, it's two little corgis, and it's the Van Gogh style. And this was done by their artist from Sagittarius Gallery. So, just turn this around here. So that was the entire contents of the box. I'll just put that there. It's an unboxing, so a crinkle will happen. Excuse me. Very nicely packaged, very well protected. Excuse me, I keep having to clear my throat. Okay, so we'll start with the toolkit. And hopefully you can see everything here. I'm just going to move everybody up here just a little bit. Actually, we'll move them over here just a little bit, just to be sure. Got a spot. Looks like a very nice little toolkit. Okay. Switch here for a moment. So you get the 2 pins. I have a 3 placer, and it looks like a 5 or 6 placer attachment. And very nice tweezers, very sharp tweezers, but very nice, and a nice little cover for it, which is definitely a necessity. And nice little purple grippies here. So go ahead and set those up while I'm thinking about it. Why not? There we go. So I'm all set with my placer tools. And I do like that they have these little plastic containers for your wax. It does make it nice to make sure that the wax doesn't dry out. And it does have the protective plastic on the little circular disc of wax. So that has to be taken off, of course, before I utilize it. And there are 2 of those, which makes it very nice. Just a little bit more. And this one's the same as the other. Okay. And then there's a nice little boat, and it has the Dreamer Designs logo on the bottom. And so that's very nice as well. Okay. And then you get a full set of instruction sheets, or instruction sheet, with 12 different languages from what I understand of reading on the website. And that makes it nice for different people from different countries to be able to read and comprehend the instructions. Okay. I'll put this up there for now. Trying to make sure things don't roll off the table. So, there we go. Okay, so we'll take a look at the canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and move this over just a little bit here. And a nice foam roller. Back here, actually. Okay. So this is canvas. The canvas quality feels very good. Nice weight to the canvas. And it does say the details up here of what I was talking about. Legally licensed from Sagittarius Gallery. The design size is 40 by 30 centimeters, which equates to 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches. The fabric size is 45 by 35 centimeters, which equates to 17.7 by 13.8 inches. And let's take a look at the legend here. Nice little Dreamer Design logo there. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 colors. I am looking forward to this. The Van Goghs are fun. And I have not done any style of Van Gogh diamond painting yet. And so they do have the legends on both sides of the paintings, diagonal from each other. And I know the colors are more than likely very different in the printed part comparatively to the colors that we'll see in there. Okay? But it is so cute. Little corgi butts. But it is called Corgi Nights, Van Gogh edition. And so I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm just gonna keep this up. These are so cute. I think this is gonna turn out very cute. It looks very good on camera too, from what I'm seeing here on the monitor. So once again, like I said, this is an unboxing, so the crinkle will happen. Just to let you know. And try to find the most efficient way to get these out without cutting open the bags. You know me. Okay. My scissors are usually pretty sharp, but these are not. It's not the bag's fault. It's probably my skills today. I do like the logo. It's very, very fun. And they do label the bag. If you store your canvases and your drills separate, that is nice to have that already done with the labeling on the bag of diamonds. So, I don't know what my challenge seems to be sometimes with getting my diamonds out. That's my issue. Me, myself, personally, I take responsibility for my challenges with getting my drills out. I'm always worried about opening the bag and flicking everything everywhere. So if you look at these colors, they are absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous colors. Look at how vivid they are. Very fun. So I'm going to actually go ahead and kind of cut these separate so I can lay them all out across the canvas here. So we can just kind of take a look and kind of envision what this is going to be like when it's done. Okay. So once again, those are all those colors that are going to be on these little puppy dogs. And once again, it's so cute. Very cute painting. And looks absolutely beautiful on the camera here with the different colors. So yeah, so I'm excited to do this, and I have other things that I'm working on right now, but I am looking forward to getting started on these little guys. And I hope everybody enjoyed seeing this fun new style painting and from this new company. And other than that, everybody have a great day and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.